Hey everybody, it's Bryan with Abound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about the published status of your blog post. So whether that be you want to publish your blog, get it unpublished, leave it for review for somebody on your team, whatever the case may be, we're going to talk about how to handle that situation. So let's head over to my screen and we'll get to it right now. Okay, so we're here on my demo website that I use for all my tutorial videos. And so we're just going to go into under website here, go into pages to get over to those blog posts. And so we'll click on our blog here. And then you see like this blog post is scheduled. And then these three have been published back in 2019. So we can start with one of these posts that are already published, one of these blog posts that are already published. And so I'll click on the three dots here to go into settings. And then you're going to want to click on options to get to the published status. All right. So it's the status right now is published, but you can change that here to whatever you want. You can go ahead, like if you do any of the other things here on this, these other three choices, it's going to unpublish the blog. And so it will either we can put it into needs review here, we can put it back into draft status, or we can schedule it to be published again in the future. So, like if we wanted it to be unpublished and we're the only person on our team and we just need to look back through it and change some things before we put it back, online and in the published status, then we would want to just switch it over to draft and then go back and then save. And you can see here it's now in draft status. Now, if we wanted to schedule it or put it over to somebody else on the team to be able for them to review it, they need to edit it, something like that. Then we can go into settings again after clicking those three dots, go into options, and then go into status and change it to needs review and save. And then the other thing you can see here, you can actually filter these out. You have a filter up here. You have draft, scheduled, published. Okay. And so you can actually see anything that's in draft, which nothing is draft right now. You can see scheduled and you have the one. And then you can see what is published, which is those other two posts. But anyhow, the only other thing that we didn't go over was just, let's see. Oh, if you want to get a post that is not scheduled and get it scheduled, then it'd be the same thing. You go into status here. You're going to click on the status, which this one's currently in published, but then we would just take it, click scheduled, and then we were going to pick the date in the future that we want to schedule this for. So again, it has to be something in the future. So every date in the past is grayed out. And so let's say we wanted to have it scheduled to post here in 2 months from now. And so today is the 28th. So it would be June. It's June, the 28th of April. So June the 28th. And down here, they have updated the time picker. So that's really nice. Now you can, instead of having to slide back and forth on it, you can, let's say we wanted to do it for 5 p.m. You can actually just type in the time and hit enter and it's set. You just click save and let's go back to all. And you can see you have a couple that are scheduled now. You have one that's scheduled for the June the 16th, one for June the 28th, and then you have one that needs review, and then one that's published from back in 2019. So that's all there is to it. If you found this useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like for me to build your Squarespace website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.